amazing floater.
Good one, too.
Thank
Love
you.
it.
Oh, that's so cool. I love the way that looks.
So wait, what gets lit on fire? So wait, what is that?
It's a sugar cube.
Oh,
What are you
cool.
lighting on fire?
It's
I
a
need a
sugar.
better sugar cube.
So we just got back from, well, we're here and we're at TGI Fridays on International Drive, and we had Parmesan chicken, and my wife had, what you have?
I have a bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger. And we're about to go ride the StarFlyer. So this is the perfect place to go eat before you ride the StarFlyer, before you go to Icon 360, before you take an iDrive, or just a great day. Great place to have drinks after you're at all the parks. As you can see, I had the Sailor's Rum Punch, which is a highly recommended drink. Wearing our Lightning Rod Twisted Cyclone t-shirts. Subscribe to Theme Park HD to check out our POVs of those, because we are going to opening day next week at Six Flags Over Georgia, Corporate's Check Media Day, and also riding this bad boy in a week. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed our food review of this amazing restaurant that's a little different on iDrive.